We're going to look at the KDLitker SST20 drop-in from none other than KDLitker. Simple one-mode drop-in with an operating voltage of 3.7 volts to 8.4 volts. So you actually can use two 16340 rechargeables with these if you want, or two 18650s, because it can handle the voltage. It's just a buck driver. Orange PO reflector. Not bad for a little $20 purchase. Claimed 700 lumens and neutral white. Throws pretty good too. Much has been said for the neutral white tints, but it just takes the right light to sort of let shine the real capability that these neutral whites have. Pretty dang impressive. About 29K and assumptively throwy. Let me say that. Very impressive performer. And you get a tint that you really like. Extremely impressive range. Such a little light. You can just drop whatever body, or drop the unit into whatever body you want and get very dependable throw. I know it may not be apparent that it's a neutral white right now, but it is, and I'm going to compare it in just a second here. So we're going to compare an XML2U2 old school hosts we got going on here to the SST20, and you're going to see a difference in the beams. So let's do it. All right, so here we have the XML2 obviously on the right and the 5000K SST20 on the left. So now it becomes clear just how nicely the neutral tint works. 5000K is what most would consider sunlight color temperature. And for those of you who prefer even warmer, well, I don't share your enthusiasm in going longer, but you certainly can as an option. So here we go again. You have a concentrated thrower, more or less, versus just a typical P60 XML2U2 that I got from, well, God knows where. So I am really happy with this purchase. I'll turn this off. I am really happy with this purchase. I almost didn't make it, but as I bought so much stuff throughout the years from KDLitker, I decided to do it here too. So anyways, we're going to wrap up here.